Good morning, everybody.
Well, why don't you give a few seconds?
Welcome to our Facebook Live this Saturday, the 19th today, I think it is. Different format. Okay.
Yeah, you have to wait until people start up.
Watching.
Well, not that nobody's watching, but people are just starting in.
Yeah.
So I'm just giving them a chance to get online. Good morning, Steve. Good morning, everybody. We're just letting people settle in on their seats, ready for this particular Facebook Live today, which is going to be a little different. Gosh, a lot of people. Good morning, Mike. Good morning, Judd, Kaylin, John, Andrew, and a lot of other people. This is very exciting. Hope you guys have had a good weekend so far. And sorry we missed you last weekend. We'll give you a little bit of an update as to what went down. Andrew says, hello, Mr. Harvey, nice work.
Thank you, Andrew.
COVID says, hello from Jacksonville, Florida. Kyle, I have plenty of Guy Harvey shirts and coffee mugs. Thank you. And thank you to everybody who's been purchasing Guy Harvey merchandise. As you know, part of the proceeds goes towards the research and educational efforts that we do with the Guy Harvey Ocean Foundation. So you're making Guy Harvey your biggest fan makes us your biggest fan, because then we get to continue to do all these wonderful efforts. Mm-hmm. Sarah says, hello. Mark Bennett and Scott Anderson are watching. Hi. Good morning, Miss Donna. Fantastic. We have a lot of people this morning. So, Dad, if you want to restart your greeting, as great. It was a little
good morning,
early.
Everybody. And welcome back to our live Facebook sessions on Saturday mornings. Last week we were in Little Cayman actually fishing in a tournament, and in fact probably around this time we were hooked up to a very large blue marlin that Jessica fought for nearly half an hour, and the hook came out, so it got away. That's cool fishing, but it was a most exciting moment. This week I've been working, as you can see, on some more shallow water subject matter.
Let's have a look.
Primarily for our gallery here to help boost some economic activity. While we are COVID free here in the Cayman Islands, we still are, our borders are still closed, so we have no tourists coming in. And so we've got to make up for business some other way. We have a lot of help from our son Alex, who is now living with us. Welcome, Alex, to the Cayman Islands. He just did 2 weeks of quarantine here with his wife Julia and baby daughter Harper. So we're glad to have them in our house.
So Grandpa has not only got both of his pickney, as we say in Jamaica, home, but he's also got his first grandchild home. So this is very exciting for all of us.
It is a very exciting
Good morning,
time
Carlos.
for our family. Anyway, without much ado, I'm going to hand over to Jessica because she's going to do the quiz today. But before I go, I just want to say happy cleanup day, everybody who's involved in terrestrial or aquatic cleanups, and thanks for what you do. And I'll come back to you when Jessica is done with her presentations today. So have fun with her and enjoy.
So, hello everybody. Today is a little bit different. So we are going to do a trivia today. And so what you're going to do is actually, I'm going to have to sign off of this to then re-log into the trivia platform. So don't go away. Just you'll see us pop on live again on the Guy Harvey Facebook Live. But just want to also quickly say 2 things. If you haven't seen any of our Facebook Lives before, this is a fun half an hour to 45-minute exercise that we do every Saturday, and you have an opportunity to talk with Dr. Harvey, as we said, but we have, luckily for you, posted all of our sessions. So if for some reason you have missed out on any of the sessions, whether you're interested in art or biology or whatever subject matter we've touched on already, feel free to go back at your own leisure, and if you have any questions, shoot them down on the Facebook chat and we can try and answer them for you. But as Dad mentioned, it's International Cleanup Day. So thank you to everybody who has been doing a great job so far. I've seen so many big garbage bags filled with stuff as I came here this morning. Good. And you know, whatever effort you are doing or taking part in, big or small, every little bit helps. So thank you very, very much for making our environment a cleaner place.
And on that note, every day you should be recycling if you can. If it works where you live, you should be recycling glass, plastic, paper, cardboard, all of those things. So do bear that in mind.
Yes, but the first thing before even considering buying something, ask yourself, do you really need this? Is there something already in your household that you can reuse or repurpose to fit your needs? Because ultimately, not consuming as much things in the household will help reduce the amount of garbage that we potentially, or recycling even, needed to do.
All right.
So without further ado, we are going to jump on the trivia. So don't go away. And, for people who have started this before, make sure when you put in, it's 2 rounds of trivial questions. And when you put in your answers, you just need to put in the answer as well as part of the first word in the answer so that Facebook actually picks it up as registered.
Okay, cool.
Okay?
And
So-
they win prizes, right?
I'm not sure if they do this time around, but it's just a fun little quiz, and so we are again. This is the second time we've only tried this out, so bear with us, but it should be
All right.
fun. See you in a bit.